I want to share with you this hadith from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, reported by Imam at-Tirmidhi in his Sunan. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Lose no time to do good deeds before you are caught up by one of 7 calamities awaiting you: a starvation which may impair your wisdom, a prosperity which may mislead you, an illness which may damage your health, an old age which may harm your senses, a sudden death, the fitna of the Dajjal, and the day of judgment, which is indeed the hardest and most bitter." The Prophet said, hasten to do good deeds. Lose no time in doing good deeds before calamities come to you. And he mentioned 7 of them that are awaiting. Because the good deeds that we do prepare us to deal with trials and tribulations in our life. If we don't have good deeds, it becomes more difficult to deal with trials and tribulations and calamities.